In this video, I'll show you how you can duplicate a post on WordPress. So for that, all we need is WordPress and a simple plugin. So all you need to do is go to WordPress, click on plugins right there and click on add new. And then all you need to do is find the duplicate plugin. So just search for duplicate right there. And then you'll find all of these, right? So you want to install this one, duplicate post, click on install now. Now once this is installed, you can actually enable it on WordPress, and it's then very easy. Activate. So click on activate right there, and once you do that, it's really easy to actually duplicate a post. So right there you got the plugin. All you need to do next is go to a page or a post, and then you can actually, let's see, duplicate this. So click right there, duplicate this, and then there you go. That's pretty much how you can duplicate a page or post on WordPress. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.